Hey guys, so I'm back at it again with another camcorder vid, and so this one is basically just, I'm gonna upload a new video. So there's like an abandoned store down Cunningham Road, and hopefully soon I'm gonna go back down there to record a video of me doing urban exploring. I really hope I do it because I really want to upload urban exploring vid. So you should look at that in the future. For those who are, for the 10 subscribers, for the 10 people who are subscribed to my channel. If y'all have notifications on, that's great. If you don't, I don't care. The last video I uploaded was like 2 weeks ago. It was of me like going into my garage. So yeah, um, that's pretty much it.